It's 9:40 and the birds are really going. Look at, there's a blackbird there making the cutest noise. Yeah, look at it right there. Huh. 9:40. Something's going on, man. I hear someone with an accent. Huh. That one flew away. That blackbirdie's up there. Where are you, blackbird? Show yourself. What's going on? There's a lot of messages today from the birds, man. A lot of activity. Where'd you go? Come on, move, birdie. It's still there. You hear the noises that the birds are making today, though? Something amazing is about to happen. I could feel it. "24. 24/7. Oh, there we go. Boom, it flew away. 24/7. Someone got their birds on watch. Yeah, man. 39. Expansion. Yeah, I was getting like, there's no more. Like, there's no more. Yeah. This is somebody's time right now. This is crazy. Somebody is just magnetic. Completely magnetic. So whatever you work hard or put your mind to, or blah, blah, or your hard work has paid off. I keep getting that. Be patient. Yes, I keep getting, yeah, be patient. What was it? Like, yeah. Be patient. Soon. Yep. Wow. Somebody's patience and hard work is paying off. Like, damn, this is insane, yo. It's kind of like overwhelming. It's almost like, you know, you dreamed about it, you heard about it, you felt about it, blah, blah, blah. But when it's happening, you're almost like, is this shit about to be, is this real? Is it over? You know? I mean, life is never really over with ups and downs, but like, you know what I mean? Like, finally, the stability.